And we're back to learn Gimp in a year, day 21. Let me show you how you can import images. So far I've simply dragged and dropped them here, and you can actually do that to multiple images, and you can see they will be added as new layers. Let me add 3 here. So we have all of these images in the same project, you could say, on the same canvas, and that's indicated by the tab right there. Let me close it. I discard changes, and we can also import images by using File, Open. And here you get your folder structure. I'll just use Recent, double click on it, and this will be added yet again to your canvas. Let me do that again with a second image. Once again, I use Recent. And it has also opened, but it's now different because we don't have it as another layer. We have it as another tab. So this has basically opened a project for each image in itself. And this is what open does. If you want to have it as a layer though, in an existing project, you can open as layer. These are the two most important open options. We have more, but as a beginner, I would advise you to leave that alone. Here, open as link layer and open location. What you need is open to have it opened in a specific tab, and open as layers to have it opened in an existing tab, an existing project. And you can also open recent right here. Let me, for example, use one of my logos, which is the same as open. So it's going to get opened in a new tab. And if you have that and you want to add, for example, this logo to existing projects, you can left click drag in the layer menu, then hover over the new tab where you want to put it, go to the layer menu and then drop it here. Let me add the logo to my first image right here as well. And you can see how that works. So in general, I would advise you to use open. And if you want to add it then to an existing project, you can still drag and drop it there. But if you know that you only want to use a single image, simply open your Explorer and then drag and drop it onto an empty canvas. It will be open in a new tab. And if you want to add an image to an existing project, you can also use the Explorer and drag and drop it like we did in the beginning. And this is how you can import images in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.